Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to enable lift to wake in your phone Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra 5G. First of all, open settings in your phone here. Then go to advanced features, and here select motions and gestures, and here turn on the button lift to wake. Just turn on this button. Now if your screen is off, just you can lift your phone to wake up your screen. See here. Yes, it's working. Yes. So you can activate lift to wake up this screen using this function motions and gestures, and turn on lift to wake. Okay, that's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.